Oh, hey, it's me, Ben, with ASU's You Asked videos. Today, you asked about what to pack for when you move into your residence hall. So, let's find out.
You want it to feel like home, so making sure you have like a mattress pad.
Do you have a tapestry?
I did have a tapestry.
Top 5 must-have things to bring to your dorm.
Little command strips,
A toothbrush.
a mini vacuum.
A lot of pens.
A lot of socks. I've definitely run through a lot of socks.
Bring your favorite book.
Okay.
I brought all of my clothes, like all my winter clothes, all my summer clothes, jackets. It wasn't necessary.
Yeah, you're not gonna need winter clothes at all.
I didn't have to bring a lot of shirts because in India it's always like formal shirts. Here it's full of t-shirts.
Bring cologne or perfume in case you're going out, so you want to smell good.
Extra towels and cleaning supplies.
What's the consequence of a dirty dorm?
You're just embarrassed.
In the US, there's a whole aisle for cleaning utilities and supplies.
Clorox cleanups because they're really easy.
A steamer, because you can't have irons in the dorms.
Keep a mini fridge and keep it stocked with stuff that would probably last a long time.
Some sunscreen out here for the heat.
More swimsuits.
Having a plant, something that you can have that you need to take care of, and something that you work towards.
Love and nurture.
Yeah.
A giant self-portrait to put on your roommate's wall. Hey, hope you learned about what to pack for when you move to college. So, as always, like, subscribe, comment below any questions that you might have for us to answer in the future videos, and I love you.